Let's evaluate the limit as x approaches minus 9 of 3 minus the square root of negative x divided by x plus 9. First we plug in minus 9 for x. The numerator becomes 3 minus the square root of minus, and then x is negative 9, so it looks like this: square root of minus a minus 9. The two minuses give us the positive 9, so square root is defined. This is 3 minus 3, net approaches 0. The denominator is x plus 9, so plugging in 9 for x, we get negative 9 plus 9, that also approaches 0. So the ratio is 0 over 0. That's the indeterminate form, and we'll be using the method of conjugation to solve this limit, to find this limit. We'll be taking the conjugate of the numerator, because that's where the square root happens to be. The denominator will just go along for the ride and it'll cancel. So the conjugate of the numerator is 3 plus the square root of negative x. We must divide it by itself, not to change the problem, so that's what we end up with. This is equal to the limit x goes to minus 9. The numerator, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 3 times the square root of negative x. Then we have negative square root of negative x times 3 would be minus 3 times the square root of negative x. And then minus square root of negative x times plus square root of negative x will be minus, the square roots cancel and you just have negative x. And then divided by, don't do anything in the denominator, it's x plus 9 times 3 plus the square root of negative x. Now this 3 square root of negative x and minus 3 square root of negative x cancel, and what we end up with is this following limit. Limit x approaches negative 9. We have 9 minus a minus x, which is 9 plus x. The denominator is x plus 9 times 3 plus the square root of negative x. And so here is the source of 0 over 0. These cancel and we are left with the following limit to evaluate. Limit x approaches negative 9, 1 divided by 3 plus the square root of negative x. So it's safe now to plug in minus 9 for x. We're not going to get 0 in the denominator anymore. This is 1 divided by 3 plus the square root of negative 9. And so this is equal to 1/6. That's our limit.